With this enthusiasm, we request the respected dignitaries on the dais to release the Research Award booklet. We also have one textbook for release this year, published by CRC Press, Taylor and Francis Group in 2020, titled Solar Drying Systems. And can I have the proud author of the book, Dr. Anil Kumar, Associate Head from Mechanical Engineering Department. So many congratulations to Dr. Anil Kumar, Department of Mechanical Engineering and DTU. This goes without saying that Research Excellence Award ceremony is amongst the most treasured occasions of this university. Let's now begin with the 4th Research Excellence Awards presentation, starting with the felicitation to 3 of our faculties who were listed in the world's top 2% scientists as reported by the Stanford University, and they made DTU and each one of us proud, followed by awardees receiving Premier Research Excellence Awards and the Commendable Research Excellence Awards. So just a brief that this year we have 9 papers in Premier Research Excellence Award category and 182 papers in Commendable Research Excellence Award category. So beginning with the appreciation to the 3 faculties listed in the Stanford's World Top 2% Scientists. First we have Professor B.D. Malhotra from Department of Biotechnology in the field of analytical chemistry. Next we have Professor D.R. Bhaskar from Department of Electrical Engineering with his work in the field of electrical and electronics engineering. And then we have Dr. Ruchika Malhotra from Department of Computer Science and Engineering for her work in the field of artificial intelligence and image processing. So can we have a huge round of applause for all the awardees? Then moving on to the Premier Research Excellence Award category. This year we have 6 departments in the Premier Research category. Starting with the Applied Mathematics Department, may we call upon Dr. Anshul Arora, Applied Mathematics. Premier Research Excellence Award. Faculty. And next from the Department of Applied Mathematics, we have Professor C.P. Singh. Then moving on to the Department of Biotechnology, we have Dr. Yasha Hasija. Then moving on to the Department of Electrical Engineering, we have Mr. Ambrish Devanshu. And the next one from Department of Electrical Engineering is Ms. Rupam Singh. She is again a research scholar. Next, moving on to the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, we have Dr. Chavi Dhiman. So last year, her name was there as a research scholar, and this year as assistant professor. Then moving on to the Department of Information Technology, we have Professor Kapil Sharma for one paper in Premier category, 1 Indian patent and 1 US patent. Now moving on to the Department of Mechanical Engineering, we have Professor Naveen Kumar. Instead of Naveen Kumar, Hansham Deval, who is one of the co-authors in the paper. And next we have Professor Rajesh Kumar from Department of Mechanical Engineering. Now starting with the Applied Chemistry Department, we have Dr. Anil Kumar. Now due to paucity of time, we shall be calling upon just 3 awardees who had already given their names for sharing their views and experiences. So can we have Professor Neeta Pandey from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering.
A very good afternoon to Professor Yogesh Singh, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Ashutosh Trivedi, Dean IIT, Professor S.C. Sharma, Dean PG, Professor Madhusudan, Dean UG, Professor Shamsher, Registrar and Associate Dean, Dr. Ruchika, dignitaries of the dais and dear research awardees. I sincerely thank Vice Chancellor Sir for initiating Research Excellence Award and Dean IIT and his team for bringing it in this shape. This award has provided researchers a measure for their research outputs and recognition that comes in form of reviewer, editorial board member, and various journal, technical and advisory committee of the conferences. I would like to congratulate all winners of Research Excellence Award and a special mention to all the people who have made their way to Stanford University Research Excellence, and in that we have 2 Bhishma Pitamahas, which I can call like Professor Bhaskar and Professor Malhotra, and I also congratulate Dr. Ruchika. At such a young age, she has made an entry to that. I also extend thanks to my dear students who have been part of this journey and wish to share their sentiments. Students were earlier happy to publish their work in conferences and journal, and sometimes they passed out without publishing their work. Now, there is a sea change in their attitude. They come with the expectation of publishing in a journal and ask what extra they can do for getting a paper in coveted journal category. Sir, you would be very happy to know that in January 2021, the work of our 2 PG project students have been published in journal that is falling under Commendable Research Award category. I hope, see, this is a difference, like we have the students who are our PG research scholars, and research scholars, they are publishing in good SCI journals. For PG students and UG students, the policies which you have introduced like research track, it has now reaping its benefits. I hope and have a strong belief that more and more PG students will be part of it in near future. Once again, congratulations to all awardees. Thank you.
Next, can I have Dr. Yasha Hasija from Department of Biotechnology.
Thank you. Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Trivedi, Dean IIT, Professor Madhusudan Singh, Dean UG, Professor S.C. Sharma, Dean PG, Registrar Professor Shamsher, Dr. Ruchika Malhotra, Associate Dean IIT, Deans, HODs, members of the award committee, awardees, faculty members, and dear students. To say that I am delighted to receive the DTU Premier Research Excellence Award is definitely an understatement. I am pleased, I am honored and humbled to be placed in the distinguished researchers of the university, as all of you present here, who have made important contributions in the field of research in science, technology, and engineering. So I was going through this very interesting article published in Forbes that said, you are the average of 5 people you spend time with. Said another way, when you're trying to grow into the person you hope to be, it's helpful to surround yourself with people who demonstrate those qualities you aspire to achieve. These people might include mentors from whom you can learn new skills, colleagues who cheer you on when you get discouraged, or friends who hold you on accountable to your goals. So we all are very, very blessed to have this one person who has all of these qualities and much more. He deserves a huge round of applause before any one of us, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. It is incredible how much he has transformed this university by any which measure you see. In research itself, several initiatives have been taken in terms of providing academic and physical infrastructure, projects, scholarships, technology transfer initiatives, and numerous other policies for promoting excellence. He even created awareness on plagiarism and copyright. As they rightly say, नज़र को बदलो तो नज़ारे बदल जाते हैं, सोच को बदलो तो सितारे बदल जाते हैं, कश्तियाँ बदलने की ज़रूरत नहीं, दिशा को बदलो तो किनारे खुद ब खुद बदल जाते हैं. Thank you, sir, for providing us with everything, the right infrastructure, right motivation, conducive environment, and most importantly, positivity all around. Snowflakes are one of the nature's most fragile things, but just look at it, what they can do when they stick together. So I attribute this award to the members of my laboratory, whose immense hard work has contributed to the research work that has won us this nomination. This is an achievement of each and every member of my laboratory. Let's all work together and create the life of our dreams. Thank you very much.
Next we have Dr. M. J.S. Madri from Department of Applied Physics.
Honorable Chief Guest of the 4th Research Excellence Award function, Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Yogesh Singh, and Dean IRD, Dean PG, Dean UG, and ever smiling and energetic Registrar Sir, and Dean, Associate Dean IRD, and other respected deans, colleagues, awardees, students, and staff members of DTU present here. Good afternoon to all of you. It is indeed a great honor and pleasure to express my views on Research Excellence Award. Today we are all here because of the outstanding achievement in publishing research papers in the internationally reputed scientific journals. First of all, congratulations to all award winners. This award acknowledges, encourages, and promotes research culture in our esteemed institution, and it yields recognition of the individual's excellence in research. And second point is encouragement or motivation for quality research by the students and faculty members. And third point is value to the hard work. That means reward in terms of cash prize. As you know, I have received Research Excellence Award for the past 3 years. And this time I feel something special that 4 of my PhD students are also receiving award with me today. I feel overwhelmed by this unique moment and praise all the students for contributing for quality research. I congratulate all of them once again for their research acumen. Truly honored to receive it. I am fortunate to mention that Applied Physics Department is leading in DTU in receiving maximum number of Research Excellence Awards every time. Thanks to the present HOD and previous HODs of my department and my dear colleagues for creating such an environment in the department. It is noticed that VC sir explained about different statistics, but it is noticed that 32 awardees received Research Excellence Award for the year 2017 when the awards are initiated, and now reached to 128. That is huge number. So award recipients are increasing. So 32 to 128 within 4 times within 3 years. So it's great achievement. Especially, I would like to thank the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Dean IRD, Associate Dean IRD for their efforts in creating such ecosystem of research in the university. Let's give a big round of applause for them. And my sincere thanks to all the jury members and special appreciation to Dr. Ruchika, Associate Dean IRD, for playing an active role in the complete process from inviting applications to presenting the award. And I am incredibly confident that efforts to excel in higher education and the inculcation of moral values in the students at the university campus will continue in the future with a greater zeal and under our young, dynamic, effective and responsible Vice Chancellor, sir. During VCSR's tenure, the university has witnessed the significant progress in research, teaching learning, infrastructural expansion, institutional ranking, etc. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, has great ideas about the vision for the university and the courage to convert those ideas into reality as a visionary leader. For instance, Delhi Technological University is excellent in recent magazine rankings. As you know, sir already explained about some of the magazine rankings. India Today, 5th best institution of the country, and Times Engineering Institution. But comes to government ranking system, MHRD, NIRF, that is inspired little bit with different parameters and by international, inspired by international ranking. We are 36th best institution in our country in the year 2020. Their main focus mainly on research and citations. So that we are lacking. The rank has also been improved. At times, Higher Education World Ranking DTU in the bracket of 801 to 1000, primarily, majorly based on the research publications and citations. Hence, VCSR has taken several initiatives, Research Excellence Award for the last 4 years, and the introduction of Citation Award, and many more explained by my colleague Yasha Madam. The initiatives taken by our Honorable VCSR will certainly place DTU at the top in the coming years. We are all inspired by you, sir. And in this regard, I would like to express my profound thanks and gratitude for your kind support, motivation, and also spreading positivity across the world. I'm very grateful to you, sir. Finally, thanks to the organizing team for making wonderful arrangement during COVID. Once again, congratulations to all award recipients. Thank you very much for giving an opportunity. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your views and experiences. May I now request our Dean IRD, sir, to present memento to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. Next, may I request Professor Neeta Pandey, ma'am, to present memento to Dean IRD, Professor Ashutosh Trivedi. Then can we have Dr. Gurjeet Kaur to present memento to Dean Academic PG, Professor S.C. Sharma. Then may we have Dr. Shweta to present memento to Dean Academic UG, Professor Madhusudan Singh. Next, may I request Professor Neeta Pandey to present memento to Registrar Sir, Professor Shamsher. Then I would like to call upon Dr. Shweta to present memento to Dr. Ruchika Malhotra, Associate Dean IRD. So a huge round of applause for all the dignitaries on the dais and to all the awardees. Good researchers are not those who are working as a scientist, but they are the ones who are continuously observing and analyzing things around. Life does not require that we be the best, it's only that we try our best. Finally, now I would like to invite Dr. Ruchika Malhotra, Associate Dean IRD, to give the concluding remarks.
A very good afternoon to one and all. Professor Yogesh Singh Sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Delhi Technological University. Professor Trivedi Sir, Dean IRD. Professor Madhusudan Sir, Dean Undergraduate Studies. Professor S.C. Sharma Sir, Dean Postgraduate Study. Dr. Shamsher Sir, Registrar, Delhi Technological University. DTU faculty members, all the awardees and research scholars, a very good afternoon. It's my proud privilege to present the vote of thanks today. On this great occasion, my first and foremost thanks goes to Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Yogesh Singh Sir. I still remember when we were formulating these guidelines, I will quote his wordings. He said that we don't want to restrict ourselves to first and second position. So as he said rightly today that we don't want to restrict the awards to first and second position, he wanted us to develop such kind of guidelines where qualifying criterion that would promote coordination and group research by discouraging individualisms, jealousies, and professional rivalries among the faculty members. So we are there in the 4th year of the award, Research Excellence Award. So thank you, sir, for not only acknowledging but motivating many researchers of the university. So today we are presenting 191 Researchers Award, and this is due to our Honorable VC sir. So thank you, sir. My great thanks goes to Dean IIT sir, Professor Ashutosh Trivedi. He has been continuously not only guiding, working with us. So thank you, sir. In each and every endeavor, he is himself a very great, renowned researcher of the university. So he has been there, at 9, at 10 and 11, whenever I call him, in 6 in the morning too. So thank you, sir, for your support and motivation. So this year, we received record-breaking, I think, 256 applications. So highest, from the last, in spite of COVID pandemic, we have received 256 applications from various researchers, authors of the university. I would take this special opportunity to specially thank the scrutining team. So all the members are there, the scrutining team is there, so they worked very hard, and we did all the scrutining in online mode this time. And we were able to scrutinize the application in time and well in time. So after 3 rounds of online meetings and verification, the committee members have shortlisted and finalized the awardees. So I am very thankful to the scrutining committee. I am also thankful to the organizing committee. So all of them are there, Neeta ma'am, Rishu, Shweta and everyone. So I am thankful to all of them. I would express my great thanks to Professor Madhusudan sir, who is Dean Undergraduate Study, for his continuous support and motivation. Professor S.C. Sharma sir, Dean Postgraduate Study, for his guidance. I will like to express my special thanks to Professor Shamsher sir. He has been very supporting and motivating, and he helping us in all our events that we do. Before I end, like each year, I invite all the researchers of the DTU, including faculty members, research scholars, postgraduate students. So this time we have got many applications from students, undergraduate students, to apply next year for the 5th Research Excellence Award. So to conclude, I want to congratulate all of you. Thank you, all the best, happy researching. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Being successful in life is as simple as being a good student. You just have to pay attention, work hard, and give it the best shot.